Hello, family. This is our obstacle course. Who? This is our children obstacle course, DIY. Gotta get the kids involved, get them active, get them from behind the games, behind the tablets. They need to get out and run. So we just setting up now, early setup already. We have a game going on. Some other young men from the community. Sometimes some of them from that group come and play with our group and then finally forward to the stage. Here go Tara and her family. I think that's Black Lion right there rolling up. It's a good look. Oh, you did it! I'm gonna set up your bowling area right there, and that bowling area is brought to you by